What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be making a center console for this beautiful 57 Chevy truck. I do have an obstacle here where they just had the interior completely done. I mean, everything is brand new inside. They spent several thousands of dollars. So I'm going to be making it from metal, but I can't do any welding or any fabricating at all inside the cab. I need to make some sort of a template that I can take out of the car, or out of the truck rather, get everything welded up and then put it back in there. It needs to be able to bolt in and bolt out. That way, whenever I get it all done, I can take it back to the upholsterer, have it match the seats. It's going to be a gray leather to match the seats. But it's a little nerve-wracking because everything inside is perfect. Let's get going. Here's what I was talking about. Just showing you. Everything is brand new, as nice as possible. So, let's start making a template so we don't ruin any of this shit. I changed up this angle a little bit because I made it too sharp on the template, but I didn't really care because it was just a template, obviously. But got this all lined up. This will be a little bit lower, which I wanted because this was sticking up too high, and that should be my cup holder. Sweet, I think that'll work. Oh, now I need to cut it up. Son of a bitch. As you can see, it's really starting to take shape on how we want it. The cool thing about using a piece of pipe, or you can even use a piece of square tubing if you wanted to. Obviously the edges look cooler being rounded in my case. But the cool thing about using one piece for both sides and cutting it is these are absolutely perfect. There's really no way you can mess this up. They will want to tweak on you a little bit while you're welding it, but as far as the actual shape, it's going to be the exact same because this started as one piece. Here it is, all ground up and smooth. You can kind of see it. It's hard to video inside a cab, I realized, but I got the metal all done on the main piece. I still have to fill in these sides, but you can see how, you know, that 1-inch pipe, just with a piece of sheet metal on top of it, you know, just makes everything flow real nice. So, still got to get on the sides, but look. Here it is, all installed and all finished up. Super happy with how it came out. We can paint it, we can, you know, leave it bare metal, we could do a bunch of different things. What we're gonna do with this one is we're gonna actually cover it in leather so it matches the speaker box and the seats and everything. It'll look real good in there matching those. So hopefully you guys check this out and saw a new way to do a center console in case you want to do your own. But thank you guys very much for watching. Please subscribe, share, all that good stuff. That way the channel keeps growing. Thank you guys a lot. Take care. Bye.